Hi viewers, now I'm going to show the installation of Informatica. So here I have my installation file. Click on install in the server component and you can see it's installing. You need to have your Oracle services up and running. So here you go. So these are fine, they're running. Now you can see the installation wizard of Informatica. Click on OK. So install Informatica 8.6.0, that's fine. And you need to select the license key for that one. So I have the license key in my folder. Let me check. Yeah, there you go. You need to have 750 MB and you need to have one of any database. I have Oracle installed and configured. So there you go. So it asks for a path. I leave it as it is, that's fine. Enable HTTPS, you can have it, but as I'm using on my own laptop, so that's not necessary. So there you go, it's installing at the moment. There you go. So the installation of the server started. Yep, that's there you go. You get the window and press next. So the database I'm using is Oracle. So you have, if you have any other database, you can select from here. I'm using Oracle. Give your host name, give your port number, and you can use the database user ID and password. Give the service name. Generally the service name will be ORCF Oracle and the port number would be 1521. Now I'm testing the connection. It says the account is locked. So let me unlock my account. Alter user Scott account unlock. So there you go. Let me check it now. Password expired. So alter user Scott identified by Tiger. So now you can test it. So yeah, that's fine now. Click on next. There you go, it creates this domain name under the domain host name, node name. So this should be fine, and you need to give a domain password. I prefer giving the same password as everything. I prefer giving the same password for everything, so it's easy to remember. So now it's creating the domain and node. To create and configure Oracle database, you can check my previous videos. So there you go, please wait, it's being configured for your system. This may take a few minutes. Now you can see I want to use another same account. So now it's configuring the Informatica services. This might take a few minutes. Or when you get the Informatica software, you have the client and server. So the domain configuration is finished. Now it's the node configuration. So there you can see its installation status success. It's completed successfully. There you go. Components installed, services, data analyzer, metadata manager. There's the directory and the services, the domain name, the gateway host, and the port number. Please remember it's 6001. There you go. So now you have installed the client components of Informatica Power Center. Now we need to install the client components. We have installed the server components. So let me click on OK. It's the same easy method. Now you get the installation window. Click on OK. Okay, so we are installing the Power Center client now. There you go. It requires 900 MB of space and these operating systems. Next, there you go. I use the same directory. There you go. It's installing now. Takes a few minutes of time installing. So you can see here Informatica Power Center client installation is as easy as this. The important part of this is configuring the repository, and you need to configure the integration service and the repository service. You can see the repository and integration service configuration in my next video. There you go. To complete. So that's it. You have successfully installed Informatica. There you go. Select application to launch. Now I'm doing nothing with it. So that's it, the installation of Informatica, and in my next video you can see how to configure the repository and integration services. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.